it's true. My career detective is along with me to ask questions just for you.
Oh yeah!
You never know where we'll go or just who we'll see. It's Take a Child to Work Day. Let's reveal a mystery. Sparky's always on your side. He wants you to explore. Go behind the scenes, cause who knows what your job has in store. So let's see who will be today. Come and take my hand. Discover your sparks and travel all across this land. Take a child to work day. Take a child to work day. Take a child to work day. Take a child to work today.
It's Friday night. It's Friday night. It's Friday night. Hey, are you hungry for what I'm hungry for?
Of course.
Pizza! Well, let's see what we've got in the freezer.
Ew.
Yeah, that's not exactly what I had in mind. Sparky's calling!
We hear you, Sparky.
Loud and clear!
Your career detectives are here for duty.
Hello there, career detectives. Before I send you on this tasty mission, let me tell you about this person, Sparks. You might have these sparks to get ready. This career might be for you. Like basketball, put your hands up. Like cooking, put your hands up. Like biking, put your hands up. Like business, put your hands up. Oh yeah! This person really does have a lot of spark. Basketball, cooking, biking, and business. But remember, just because it's a person's spark doesn't mean it's their career. Any guesses where I'm sending you today?
Hi, I'm John. Welcome to John's Wildwood Pizzeria. Come on in, let me show you around the kitchen.
Yummy.
I've been eating your pizza my whole life. It's my favorite.
Wow. Thank you. It's my favorite too. But I appreciate that support. We have a lot of loyal customers.
What makes John's pizza so much different from the other pizzas?
Oh, you mean better, huh? There's a lot of little things, a lot of secrets, and then a few things that are like we don't put any preservatives in our dough or our sauce. It's all very natural stuff. It's really, really good.
Yummy.
What are some of the tasty things you make here?
Well, our pizza, that's famous. And we all, besides our regular pizza that everyone thinks about with sauce and pepperoni and cheese, we do white pizza. And it doesn't have pizza sauce on it. It's really good too. We do a ranch pizza. Then we make calzones, which are sort of like a pizza folded up, but different. And then we have great salads. We have all kinds of subs. We have chicken wings, chicken fingers and fries, French fries, mozzarella sticks, a few other things.
My two favorite things are chicken fingers and pizza.
That's pretty popular. Almost all the kids I know love chicken fingers. They love our chicken fingers. So.
Yeah, you can eat those all day.
I agree, you can.
Yummy.
So why did you decide to open up a pizza shop?
That's a long story, but when I was in high school, my dad always wanted to open a pizza shop. So we opened one from scratch then, and it was a lot of fun. And then while I was going to college, this opportunity just showed up. And it's a long story, but I decided it was the right thing for me, and it turned out it was. Plus, I love pizza. Can never get enough.
Me too.
Yeah, see? Never get enough pizza.
So John takes Shiley behind the scenes to show her how it's done.
All right, take the dough, put a little flour on it. And then I go around the dough, and I set where the crust is going to be. And then kind of start to stretch the
I
dough.
love.
Larger and larger, stretching out from the middle. And slap it. Watch out, you're going to get a little bit of flour on you. Slap it a few times. Throw it up in the air. And then goes onto the pizza board.
Whoa, hold on. You've got to see that again in slow motion. Now John shows Shiley how to make a pizza like a professional.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your two hands and you're going to go around and make where you want the crust to be. So you're going to take your hands, put them right in there, put them next to each other, and squish it that way. Yep. Now you're going to put your hands right here in that little groove, and I'm going to help your hands. We're going to go around. We're going to go real light, and we're going to go around.
Told you this would be a fun business.
It is fun. So we're going to make it a little bit bigger. So I'm going to bring it out a little bit bigger. Now you're going to do this thing where you slap it. So you're going to put it on one hand, and you're going to bring it over your other hand like, the flour will go, cup of flour. Then you'll bring it back. Flip it over, keep doing it. More. A little more. We're getting there. That looks good. Okay. So now we're going to do our little throw. So I'm going to put the pizza on your hands. Your hands will be like this, kind of like claws. And then you're just going to go and let it fly up in the air. And I'll kind of help you a little. So turn your hands this way.
So you're going to help me catch it?
I'm going to help you catch it too,
Of
yeah?
course.
Okay.
Whoa. What didn't really go?
Okay. So now it's ready for sauce.
Okay.
We'll put sauce on. So I'm going to give you the sauce and let you spread it around. Just a little more. It looks good. Put that right in the middle. Perfect. Kind of take that, kind of spin it around. And we'll pull you close. Just put cheese on, however much you think you need.
And you know, I do double dog.
You could have double cheese.
Oh, yeah,
You could have
yeah,
triple
yeah,
cheese if you want.
Oh, yeah.
Is there anything else you like on pizza?
I
Just cheese?
just cheese. I just like a cheese pizza.
Okay. We're gonna make sure you get a little cheese out by the edges too, because you want a lot.
Yeah.
You're looking good. I see a career here. Very good. Now the last thing you do is you take a little pinch of oregano in your hands. You go up here and go, and just let it kind of fly down onto that pizza.
The last ingredient.
That's good. That looks good. All right, I'm going to put it in the oven, but first I'm going to have you come down off your chair so you can see it going in. And there we are. It's going to cook. It'll take probably about 7 or 8 minutes for that one. All right, good job.
Yummy.
There are many different jobs that you can get at John's. Of course, there are the cooks, but there are also delivery drivers, the people that work the computer at the counters, managers who do scheduling. There are many jobs, but no matter what, remember those necessary skills. Give me 5.
Show up every day on time, so with a good attitude. Delicious.
Is it the best pizza you ever had? I knew it would be. You made it. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's round. It's cheesy.
Well, what's this?
That is the Erie's Choice Award. We won in October. We won the award for the best pizza in Erie, and we've won it for the last 8 years. Mostly from our Edinburgh store, because this store wasn't here 8 years for the last 8 years. But yeah, I'm really proud of that award. People vote for it.
Yummy.
Oh yeah, that's the stuff.
John works really hard at his pizza shops. I'm so glad you had a chance to see what it's like to have a cooking spark. And now you can make the world a tasty place. Mission accomplished. It's time to bring you home.
Hey, thanks for coming to work with me today. Bye. Bye now.
Wow, that was definitely the tastiest assignment that we've ever been on.
Yeah.
After all, who doesn't love pizza?
Yeah.
And everyone knows that John's is the best.
Of course.
Well, and the one that you made turned out awesome. This is all that's left. These are your 2 career detectives. Signing off.
Mission complete.
All right, good job.